Designing a small bathroom requires careful consideration of space and functionality. By embracing minimalism, keeping the color palette neutral, and optimizing storage, you can create a visually pleasing and functional bathroom. Adding cozy touches like a faux fur rug and incorporating well-placed mirrors and lighting will enhance the ambience and make the space feel more inviting. With thoughtful design choices, even a small bathroom can offer a peaceful and comfortable retreat. Designing your bathroom with matching tiles on the walls and floors is a fantastic way to add quirkiness and style to the space. Choose a tile design that suits your personal taste, coordinate the colors and patterns, and create focal points to draw attention. Don't forget to consider texture, finishes, and grout selection to complete the look. With this approach, you can transform your bathroom into a stunning and visually captivating oasis that showcases your unique design sensibility. By incorporating artistic tiles into a monochromatic bathroom design, you can elevate the space from clinical to captivating. The unique patterns, textures, and designs of the tiles add visual interest and personality, infusing the bathroom with artistic flair. By selecting a monochromatic color palette and balancing the tiles with other elements, such as lighting, reflection, and carefully curated accessories, you can create a harmonious and visually stunning bathroom that exudes sophistication and style. A clean and modern bathroom design can be achieved through simplicity and thoughtful choices. By decluttering and organizing the space, embracing a warm color palette, focusing on simple fixtures and accessories, maximizing natural light, choosing clean materials, and adding subtle accents, you can create a stunning bathroom that exudes a sense of tranquility and modernity. With clean lines, minimal clutter, and a cozy atmosphere, your bathroom will become a serene retreat that combines simplicity and style. By combining classical and modern elements, such as rustic wooden paneling and sleek white marble, you can create an eclectic and captivating bathroom design. This fusion of styles adds depth and character to the space, with the rustic charm of the wood harmonizing with the contemporary elegance of the marble. By carefully selecting fixtures, balancing textures, and incorporating a harmonious color palette, you can achieve a bathroom that seamlessly blends the best of classical and modern aesthetics. By embracing marble and gold-toned accents in your modern bathroom design, you can create a dreamy oasis that exudes luxury and sophistication. The seamless integration of marble from top to bottom creates a visually stunning space, while the gold-toned accents add a touch of opulence. With minimalist accessories, statement lighting, and strategic use of natural light and mirrors, you can enhance the beauty of the marble and create a modern bathroom that feels both elegant and inviting. By incorporating terrazzo walls and floors, along with gold or rose gold accents, you can transform your bathroom into a luxurious oasis. The unique texture and design of terrazzo add visual interest, while the warm metallic finishes bring an opulent touch. Pairing the terrazzo with a balanced color palette, strategic lighting, and thoughtful finishing touches creates a harmonious and inviting space. With this combination, your bathroom will exude luxury, style, and sophistication, offering a truly indulgent experience. The black and wood-toned bathroom design offers a captivating blend of elegance and warmth. By incorporating black walls and floors as a dramatic backdrop, along with warm wood accents, you can create a striking contrast that elevates the overall aesthetic. The contrasting fixtures, ample natural light, and well-placed artificial lighting enhance the visual appeal and create an inviting atmosphere. With textured tiles and minimalistic accessories, you can achieve a balanced and sophisticated bathroom design that showcases the beauty of black and wood tones. Designing a stunning tiny bathroom requires careful planning and thoughtful choices. By optimizing the layout, utilizing light colors, incorporating mirrors and glass, and implementing clever storage solutions, you can transform a small space into a functional and visually appealing bathroom. Focus on lighting and embrace minimalism to create a clean and open atmosphere. With the right design principles, your tiny bathroom can become a stylish and inviting oasis that makes the most of every inch available. By incorporating a large mirror, warm yellow lights, and the addition of greenery, you can transform your bathroom into a cozy and Instagrammable space. Embrace a coordinated color palette, pay attention to details, and enhance the ambience with pleasing scents to create a visually appealing and inviting environment. With these simple design elements, you'll have a bathroom that not only looks great, but also provides a tranquil sanctuary for your daily self-care rituals. Get ready to capture stunning photos and create envy-worthy Instagram posts of your stylish and warm bathroom oasis.